The Feather and Fan Beanie. It's divine. It's easy. It will only take you a few hours to knit, and it's super soft and really enjoyable. I've loved knitting this. It's a very retro, fabulous pattern. The Feather and Fan pattern comprises 6 rows of knitting and, of course, your purl rows. All you need to do is repeat the pattern 8 times, which is roughly 18 centimetres. For this beanie, use an Aran or medium weight wool. And what's perfect with that is size 5 needles or US 8 needles. Divine. I hope you enjoy it. This was lots of fun. Row number 1, slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 1 stitch, pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and knit 2 stitches together. And that completes the pattern for row number 1. Continue to the end. Row number 2 is a purl row. Purl all the way to the end. Row number 3, start with a knit stitch. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch, knit 7, 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, knit 7 stitches, and finally knit 2 together. And that completes the pattern for row number 3. Continue to the end. Row number 4 is a purl row. Purl all the way to the end. Row number 5, slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch. Move your yarn forward and towards you. Knit 1, yarn forward, knit 2, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, knit 4, yarn forward, knit 5, and yarn forward. Finally, knit 2 stitches together. And that completes the pattern for row number 5. Continue all the way to the end. The final row for the pattern, row number 6, is a knit. Knit all the way to the end. Once you have the desired length, I've knitted 18.5 centimetres from top to bottom. It's time to decrease your stitches to make the top of the beanie. Simply knit 1, knit 2 together. This will decrease the stitches and you continue all the way to the end. Row number 2 of your decreasing, we're on the wrong side of our knitting. So we know that this is a purl. Purl 1, purl 2 together. Continue this all the way to the end. Third row of decreasing, knit 2 stitches together. Continue all the way to the end. Now that you've decreased your stitches, 3 rows of decreasing, gently place the stitches onto a sewing needle. Very gently pull together and sew at the sides. Sewing the sides together, you just want to gently pick up a couple of stitches and feed it through. Make sure that you're matching the pattern so that the pattern will run across the back of your beanie. And gently sew it all the way to the end. Now that you've sewn the side and you've sewn the top, turn it inside out and you have the most divine beanie. Wow, it looks amazing. I'm very, very happy with this. I can't wait to wear it. Actually, I'm going to wear it now.